Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is about CRWC Recruitment 2021. If you want to read the details on your own, you can check the link from the description box. Alternatively, you can also head over to our website and get all the details at one place itself. Join us through Telegram and get regular job updates. Link is provided in the description box. CRWC has opened its vacancies under various departments. Through official notification, we'll get all the details at one place. The first post is for an executive commercial. There are 5 vacancies. 30,000 to 1,20,000 will be the pay scale. If you have MBA specialization in marketing or postgraduate diploma in marketing or logistics, you can apply. And you should have relevant pay scale experience as well in the relevant fields, which is going to be for 1 year. Next post is for executive for civil. 30,000 to 1,20,000 is a pay scale, same pay scale. And bachelor's degree in diploma in civil engineering. Desirable will be if you are having a working knowledge or working experience of railways related, you will be given first preference. Executive electrical, bachelor's degree or a diploma in electrical engineering is preferred. The next is the instructions. All the pay scales which are mentioned also carry allowances as well, and employees, please note that whichever post that you are applying to, read all of the eligibility criteria and then proceed to apply. The annual performance appraisals will be made according to the norms of the organization. And next is, if your qualification seems to be irrelevant, the candidate will be disqualified. Only if you are shortlisted, you will be further called for the interview. And next is the maximum age limit is 55 years of age as dated on 1st of September 2021. If you are already working, attach no objection certificate with your application. The service bond is going to be for 50,000 rupees. It is going to be for 2 years. At the time of joining, you should be able to sign it. And if you are willing to apply, read all of the details and proceed with the online application with the website given here or the link which is provided here. The last date for applying online is 30th of September. Before applying, scan all your documents properly with your photograph, signature relevantly, and then proceed to apply. Now, if you are not understanding how to scan and how to crop your images, in the Ansexure one, all the details with images are given. To access this official notification, check the link in the description box. And signature should not be in capitals. Give a valid email ID because further communication on references will be further made. Candidates upload all the scanned documents in a given format with your online application form. Procedure for applying online is as follows. First, register yourself. Enter your name and contact details. A registration number and password will be generated to you. After that, click on the application, proceed with your application, attach all the relevant documents, and then click on the submit button. Follow all of the protocols which are given here, because once if you finally submit, without verifying, further you cannot make any changes, and if there are any mistakes or any cross miscommunication or any sort of duplication, your application will be disqualified. And next details is regarding the selection process. Selection will be according in the determination of eligibility criteria, experience, age, and on the consideration will be dated on 1st of September 2021 after the submission of the online application form. Applications will be further screened regarding your qualifications and experience. After that, whoever is considered, then the candidates will be further called for interview. And next is, as per the guidelines of India only, the applicants who are belonging to reservation category candidates, relaxations will be applicable. Call letters will be intimidated or communicated through post, email or SMS in course of time in shortly. So check your email, check your post regularly for any of the updates or any of the confirmations given by the organizations. And next is general information or general instructions. Only Indian nationals should apply. Read all the relevant details and all of the terms and conditions and then proceed to apply. Shortlisting for interview or document verification is strictly provisional. So only whoever have got your call letters, download it, attach it with the application and relevant documents, whatever you are taking to the interview, and then only then you have to attend the interview. And then make sure candidate to check your email IDs, because organization is not taking up any responsibilities if you have not checked and have attended the interview. And next is, any allowances will not be paid for attending the interview. The announcements or any modifications or any updates or information will be provided in this particular website, so check it time to time. And in case if you are having any difficulty, helpline or email is given to you, so you can directly contact them with whatever queries that you're having. The next section is where the answer is. So here, put your signature on your A4 blank paper, scan it and then open it Microsoft Paint using selection tool. You can select it, crop it and then download it and then apply. So follow the same procedure for your picture as well. So fix all your ratios which are given, because it should not exceed the file size which they have mentioned here. So the instructions are given here. Same will be applicable for photograph as well. Check the dimensions and all the pixel size which is given. And if you have any doubts, place them in the comment section. Subscribe and thank you for watching.